Now, I want to start with the time that we're coming into now, which is the 9 days. And we all know that the Beis Hamikdash, the second temple, was destroyed. That one of the reasons was sinas chinam, right? What it would be maybe in today's Hebrew translated as free hatred. What does that mean, sinas chinam, or as we say in Israel, sinat chinam? It is about that unjustified hatred. It's not about hating that rabid anti-Semite who's spreading lies about the Jewish people in Israel. It's about that hatred that is not justified. And I want to start it with a story. It's a couple of years ago, erev Pesach. Of course, I'm hysterical, and I ran out of milk, and the store was closed already. So I asked my dear friend and neighbor if she has any extra milk. She says, sure, come, no problem. So I walk into my friend neighbor's house. Okay. The kitchen is pristine, shining. The table is set for 20 people. And my friend is sitting on the couch in the living room reading a newspaper. I took one look at all this and I said to her, I hate you. And we both laughed. Of course, I don't hate her. I love her. She's a dear friend. Now, here's the thing. Yesterday, I got my certification as an NLP master practitioner. If you don't know what NLP, neuro-linguistic programming is, look it up. But one of the things that I've learned, it's a methodology that I use in my Jewish sugar-free recovery program for my clients. One of the things that I learned in this training is the power of the word. So if this would have happened today, I would not be telling my friend I hate you, even for a joke. But let's unpack that reaction, that knee-jerk reaction that I had for a moment. Is it my friend that I hated at that moment? Or because, every joke has a grain of truth in it, right? Or is it me that, like, walking into her clean house with her sitting on the couch reading a newspaper at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, erev Pesach, versus my chaos and panic that I don't know how I'm going to get ready in time. And everything is like a tsunami just went through my house. Is the hate directed at her, or is it actually me that I kind of hated myself a little bit at that moment because I'm not like my friend Gila? And this actually ties into our talk, because one of the things that I want to ask you is, do you have sinas chinam to yourself about the food choices you make? And if one of the things that maybe this talk will help you with is to be a little more compassionate towards yourself and a little more forgiving of yourself for your imperfections when it comes to healthy eating or healthy food choices, or maybe you're not in the clothes size that you feel you should be in, to just have a little more compassion for yourself and not to hate yourself, unjustified hatred towards yourself.